gonna do a challenge, French fry challenge, where it's Wendy's or McDonald's. Which is better? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, we're gonna put fries in people's mouths and see if they can tell the difference. Can't touch them or they will know.
Because the consistency of a
feel.
French fry.
Consistency.
We have our handy dandy blindfold, which is a Nanomax tie. If you would like to purchase it, it is available. You look like Kid Karate.
Kid Karate? Is he a rapper?
It's lit! No.
Your boy Kid Karate.
Isn't it Kid Karate?
His name's Danielson.
I like Kid Karate best.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes, I did. I'm gonna put a Frenchy fry in your mouth. Just open your mouth for me.
McDonald's. Is that right? Was I right?
Wait, are you done?
Open? I feel like we're in Bird Box right now.
That's McDonald's. No! What are the options again? That's Jack in the Box, right?
It's just between Wendy's and McDonald's. I'm sorry.
That one I just ate was McDonald's. The one before was Wendy's.
Are you locking in your answer?
Locked in. You are correct.
See, you said that it was gonna be easy, but she said McDonald's right off the bat, even though it was Wendy's.
Yeah, and then she's like, oh, that's Jack in the Box.
You told me that you were going to Wendy's,
I know.
McDonald's, Jack in the Box, and Sonic.
I know,
So I
I
thought I
know,
had
I
4
know.
options.
Okay, the next one. The second one was a Wendy's fry, I feel like.
Are you locking in your answer?
Yeah. What is
First
your
McDonald's, second Wendy's.
Good job. Open your mouth. No, that was a big bite.
Do I have to tell you which one I think it is?
You can wait.
Okay.
That was a big bite again.
I'm gonna say first one Wendy's, second one McDonald's.
Are you
your
locking
final
in your
answer?
answer?
Was it wrong?
You just have to tell us you locked in your
Yeah,
answer.
I'm gonna lock in my answer.
They're both Wendy's.
It sounded like it was like a fart saltier, you know?
A what?
It's like a fart saltier.
Are you
can tell the
ready?
difference.
Are you ready?
Oh, open your mouth. Open.
No. McDonald's.
I'm scared. You can't lip it.
Carl's Jr.
What?
Oh, that's Wendy's.
He's like a Ninja Turtle right now.
The first one right. The second one was still McDonald's.
Oh, both of them are McDonald's?
Yeah.
Fight it, Jessica.
You just like, 1, 2, 3, go. You need to get more momentum, okay?
I'm going for gold.
3, go. Okay, we're doing racers. Start your engine.
Start your engine. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. You gotta go all the way back.
What?
You gotta go all the way back.
I don't think I know where you're supposed to be like I'm so out of shape.
It was a good time and all, but whew. I was gonna say we could do a push-up contest, but we already know I can't do that.
Yeah, same.
Real push-ups.
Okay, ready?
Military push-ups. Oh, wait, no, he's not counting yet.
Kaylee goes.
No, he's
3, 2, 1, go.
I did
1.
Okay, here we go. It just depends on how low you want me to go. Like I can do like a half bend. I
Right.
can go to here.
Down.
No.
You gotta go lower than that.
I can't get
Your
back
arm
up
has
if
to
I
be
go
at a
way down
90-degree angle.
Yeah, I can't get back up from down there. That's like getting to the bottom of the ocean.
do
The
like-
pressure is just. I can do some girl push-ups. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, Kayleen already started.
Why does she keep? You're supposed to be counting. Okay. Oh my god, my arms are burning.
Girlie's like peeling herself off the ground. She's like,
Look at that. Dude, look at that. That's a muscle right there. Mine does that under
mine
shape.
just does a little jiggle. We're really fast this. Yours is so limp. Welcome back to the 447 News. I'm Kayleen, your host, and I have my host here with me, Jessica. Say hello, Jessica.
Hello.
We launched some more pre-order masks today. They're just black ones because those ones sold out the fastest. They're the most neutral. They go with everything. If you guys would like to purchase them, they're available on animax.com under the masks tab for
Is that
$7. Tyler is the
the model?
Tyler is the model.
Stop.
That's it for the 5 o'clock news. Thank you, Jessica, for being my host. Much appreciated.
Your co-host, you're welcome.
Co-host, whatever. It's fine, we're both hosts. Make sure you follow us on all over social media: Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok. Also, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on your post notifications.
Why is your panda so much yellower than mine?
Cause yours, dude, I'm literally you're making a pig.
Ew.
Anyways, subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on your post notifications, and
Your tip's bigger than mine.
we'll see you next time. Bye.